How would you like to know how to make raw vegan turtle candies? I'm about to show you right now. Hi, welcome to my kitchen. If you're excited about learning to make raw vegan turtle candies, hit the like button now, and I'm about to show you how. Let me give you a little backstory on this. About a year ago, I was making some other recipes and I had some extra date paste that I had made left over. I had some extra chocolate and I thought, well, I hate to let it go to waste. It didn't have a whole lot, but I had enough to do something with it. So I thought, well, I'm going to try to make turtles because I had just gotten in a shipment of delicious pecans. So I tried it. Kenny came home, he loved it, so we've been making it ever since. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And what you do is you take some measurable dates. I have about 10 to 12 here that I cut up in pieces. You want to put that in the food processor. Some vanilla. And some agave. Or you can use maple syrup, whatever sweetener you want to use. And then all you do is together, and then you're going to mix that up. And I have some water here just in case it gets a little thick. Sometimes your dates are a little drier than other times, so you can always add a little bit of water just to help that along. So here we go. Okay, so we got the date paste made. I had to add a little bit of water, like I said, and it comes up to be something like this. It's kind of a caramelly, sticky kind of consistency. And now all I'll do is take some of our raw chocolate that we have made, and you can check the recipe above how I did the melted chocolate. And I just make a little puddle. This is a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. You want to make it about the size of maybe a 50-cent piece. That's going to be your base. Okay, so I've got my little bases here, and now I'm just going to take a little scoop of the date paste and put it on top. I am not really even fond of dates by themselves. Kenny loves them. I like them in things, but I do not like them by themselves. But this, for some reason, I really love these. I like them better than the regular turtles that you buy in the store. And don't worry if there's a few chunks of the date in there. It's pretty well softened and you won't even notice it. I think I got this just about right. Usually have a little bit too much chocolate or a little bit too much of the other. Okay, so now we have the caramel part, and now you just take your pecans. You put 3 pecans in each one. And these pecans have been soaked and dehydrated to awaken the enzymes in them. And don't worry about the pecans. If you have a few that are broken, just stick that part in the caramel. No one will ever know. You can see they're starting to look like turtles. Okay, so we have the nuts on there now. And next, we're going to cover them with some more chocolate. Don't worry about the drips. They'll just harden and you can eat those yourself. You want the chocolate to kind of run down a little bit and meet up with the other chocolate. But leave some of the date mixture and the pecans exposed. And now, the little bit that just adds that extra little something to it is I have some coarse ground sea salt here, And I just take a little bit and sprinkle it over the top. It gives that sweet, salty taste. It's really good. I missed one time, and I got it by mistake when I was eating one, and I could really tell the difference. Okay, and now what I'll do is I'll put these in the refrigerator and let them set up, let the chocolate harden. You can also put them in the freezer if you're in a little bit of a hurry, and it'll help the chocolate set up, and you can take these off the paper. When you're done to store them, I would recommend keeping them in the refrigerator. Because of the coconut oil in the chocolate, it could start breaking down a little bit or melting. So I would just keep them in the refrigerator until it's time to serve.
Are those what I think they are?
They sure are. Your favorite candy, turtles, next to peanut butter. Want to try one?
Pretty cool looking.
They're raw, vegan, and delicious. Are they good?
Oh yeah. You want some?
So I guess that's a keeper, huh? Oh yeah. Delicious.
Those are really, really good.
No, sweet, salty.
Yep. The coarse salt gives it that nice salty flavor, along with the date paste is like caramel. So it tastes really good together.
So, I guess it's a keeper.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. We upload videos every week with tips and recipes to help you get to your best health yet. Don't forget to look down in the description for lots of goodies, but especially the Christmas recipe ebook. Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!